welcome the first prize winner, Abdul Bari, Karnataka, on stage to receive the prize and reward. The second prize winner, Irshad Ahmad Mir from Jammu and Kashmir. The third prize winner, Muhammad Ahmad Akhtar Hussain from Maharashtra to receive the prize. Please welcome. Sadiq Gangohi, Ahmadullah Malik, Abdul Qayyum Mir, Muhammad Salman from Uttar Pradesh. Abdullah to the stage. Ghulam Samsud Tabriz Chowdhury, please welcome to the stage. Muhammad bin Yusuf, please welcome to the stage to receive the grand finale prize. Profound knowledge of the